The guy behind the desk here, yeah, him, drowning in paperwork. That's me. And this guy, well, he's my boss. Or was my boss. I was minding my own business, working myself to boredom and death. And then this guy. Let me just put the tape in here. So then this guy shows up out of the blue, and he's not messing around, he's kicking ass and taking names. Just look at him. Then what happened? Well, let's just say that things changed. He showed me the secret to success, and my life hasn't been the same ever since. My name is Alexander Irving, and today I'm going to give you the same opportunity I was given. If you're like me, an entrepreneur, either struggling with an existing business or just starting out and want to find out how to become successful with AI, well then this channel is for you. Remember the Matrix movie when Morpheus tells Neo,
You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
This is your Matrix moment. Are you ready to find out how deep the rabbit hole goes? On this YouTube channel, you'll discover how AI can benefit your business. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur, a content creator, or a new business owner, I'll guide you through top AI tools for entrepreneurs like yourself. I'll give you tutorials on recommended AI tools to help you get started. And last but not least, you'll get some real-world examples of how AI can transform an existing business to a supercharged AI-boosted rocket. Now, I've shown you the door, but you will have to walk through it. When you're ready for the red pill, check out the rest of my videos.